How to turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to turn on your vanish mode on Facebook Messenger, then first of all open up your Messenger application, and after opening your Messenger, now you can simply choose a chat, a random chat. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and now you can simply go for the upper right corner which has that icon, and then scroll down, and here you will have secret conversation. So on Messenger in some countries we don't have vanish mode option, so instead of that vanish mode we will have secret conversation option. You can simply go for secret conversation, simply tap on that, and after going to your secret conversation, now you can go for the upper right corner and tap on that icon, and here you will have disappearing messages. So you can simply choose the disappearing messages, and here you can choose the seconds, like the time, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30, or 1 day. So if new messages sent by anyone will be removed from this chat for everyone after they've been seen it. So if you select 10 seconds, then within 10 seconds of seeing that message will be deleted or disappeared. So that's it. That's the vanish mode or disappearing messages. It's the same thing, and that's how you turn on. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.